you've never gotten nail extensions before or you don't know what nails to get next, let me put you on the trend everyone's asking for right now. It's called the Mocha Cat Eye and it genuinely looks good on every Indian skin tone. No matter your hand shape, your length preference, this shade flatters everyone. The entire extension process remains the same. If you want, you can also get it on your natural nails. Your nail tech uses a tiny magnet to activate it, and that's what creates that shifting, light reflecting effect that you're seeing. Choose red, blue, green, any color, and you can add this effect on top. Different lighting, different angles, it always looks beautiful. So if you've been confused about what to ask for at your next appointment, try the Mocha Cat Eye and thank me later.